Let us solve this problem together. What is the value of x given that x does not equal to 0? Now solution. From here we have root 2x to the power of 3. Then equals, we can have this as 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 3 simply means 1 times 1 times 1, and this will give us 1. So we have it here as this. Because for this problem, we are expected to have 3 possible solutions. So therefore from here, we have to take this to this side. We have root 2x in parentheses to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 equals 0. Then let us recall, when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So from here, we have root 2x, then we have it to be minus 1. We have root 2x in parentheses square root 2x times b, which is 1. Here will be root 2x, then plus 1 square, and everything equals 0. So from here we have root 2x minus 1 times this, we cancel out this, we have 2x plus root 2x plus 1 in parentheses equals 0. So from here, we have to apply something called zero product rule. And the zero product rule says that for this left hand side to be equal to 0 is either we have root 2x minus 1 equals 0, or we have 2x plus root 2x plus 1 equals 0. When this one equal to 0, multiplying it with this, everything here will be 0. Or if this one equal to 0, multiplying it with this side will be equal to 0, and it will be equivalent to this. So from here, let's call this case 1. Let's call this case 2. So from case 1, we have root 2x equals 1. Now, from here to, this is very simple. We have to take the square of both sides. Root 2x square, 1 square. This cancel out this. We have 2x equals 1. So dividing through by 2, this we cancel out this, and we have x equals 1 over 2. Now, from here to, we have 2x plus root 2x plus 1 equals 0. To arrange this expression, we have root 2x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here, we have to take this, let's take this term to the other side. So we are going to have root 2x equals minus into 2x plus 1. Let's square both sides. So we are going to have 2x square this equals minus 2x plus 1 square. So this we cancel out this, we have it to be 2x. Now the expansion of this will be 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So we have it to be 2x. Here will be 4x square. This will be 2x plus 2x plus 1. We have it to be 2x 4x square plus 4x plus 1. We have 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 2x equals 0. We have 4x square, this and this will be plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now we have from here divide 2 by 2, 4 by 4. This will cancel out this, or x square plus 1 over 2 times x plus 1 over 4 equals 0. So to solve this quadratically, minus b, let's use this one, b, our a to be 4, coefficient of x squared, b, sorry, our a to be 4, then our b to be 2, then our c to be equals 1. So this will now be minus 2 positive or negative. This will be 4 times a is 4, c is 1 over 2. X equals minus 2 positive or negative 4 into 1 minus 4 over 2. We have x minus 2 positive or negative 4 times minus 3 over 2. We have x minus 2 positive or negative with 4 times root 3i over 2. We have x minus 2 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root 3i over 2. We have x, this will be minus 1 positive or negative root 3i. This will divide by this. And we also have x to be equals 1 over 2. We have this to be 2 solution, 1 solution. This is complex solution, and this is the real solution. So if you are new here and find it interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more.